Face steaming is a popular skin treatment for its multilayered advantages. Face steamers are commonly used in spas and homes to cleanse the skin and nourish it. This highly beneficial treatment can give you a glowing and youthful skin without having to go to a spa, since it is very easy to use facial steaming devices at home. Steaming basically cleanses the skin thoroughly while acting against acne-causing bacteria. For people with sensitive skin, steaming, however, is not recommended usually, as it can cause redness and may also trigger many other skin-related problems like eczema. Many dermatologists point out several reservations against steaming the face. It has its perks, but those perks may also carry certain risks for your skin. Steaming the face usually does not cost you much. You can do it at home by simply taking steam of hot water and a towel around the face to trap the steam directed to your face. Face steaming has been used as a skin treatment practice since ancient times. We can pinpoint several benefits of this ancient beauty-enhancing practice for you. If you are thinking to get the aesthetic experience of face steaming, we can provide you with a list of benefits as well as the associated risks. Just make sure you watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of these astonishing facts about face steaming. Let's start then. Number 1. Boosts exfoliation. It is generally believed that steaming the face unclogs the pores and exfoliates the skin. It is, however, not the case. As Dr. Whitney Bao, a leading dermatologist based in New York, points out, pores are not doors that can open or close. Moreover, she exclaims that pores do not open or close by changes in the temperature. In fact, it is our outer skin layer known as stratum corneum that is sensitive towards changing temperature. With steam, this layer is softened, which makes it more permeable. Ultimately, this outer layer of skin loses oils and other chemicals that might be harmful for the skin, including dirt and acne-causing bacteria. Using a dry towel gently after taking steam can exfoliate the skin, thus cleansing it from unwanted particles. Steaming in this way can exfoliate the skin. However, overexfoliation can also damage the skin, causing redness. You must be careful in the process. Number 2. Increases blood circulation. Steaming your circulation can boost the circulation of blood in the vessels. Approximately 10 minutes of steaming can dilate the blood vessels, which would lead to increased blood circulation. The enhanced level of circulation can give your face instant glow after steaming. After steaming your face, dermatologists often recommend you to apply any topical antioxidant serum that carry vitamin C or vitamin E in heavy dose. These antioxidants can help the steamed skin to fight harmful outside agents, since the outer barrier of the skin is loosened due to the heat of steaming. Number 3. Hydrates the skin. Steaming is basically providing your skin vaporized hydration. Steaming in an appropriate amount can hydrate the skin effectively. However, you need to be cautious against oversteaming the face. In that case, your skin can actually be left devoid of the desirable moisture. Since oversteaming can loosen the outer barrier of your skin, it can be more prone to losing hydration. In the long run, as dermatologists warn, oversteaming can render the skin dry and more vulnerable to acne attacks in the long run. So if you are planning on getting some extra glow by face steaming, watch out. Number 4. Makes skin products easily absorbable. Steaming your face can help your skincare products work more efficiently. Remember, we told you about softening of the outer skin layer? Well, steaming can likewise increase the absorption of skincare products, since the softening of stratum corneum allows more permeability. Moreover, post-steaming might need more moisturizer, since steaming can leave the skin drier than before. To moisturize the skin, you can use serums enriched with hyaluronic acid and glycerin that bring back the lost hydration. These serums can also prevent any further loss of moisture from the skin. Next time you steam your face, do not forget to apply moisturizer on a regular basis to maintain the post-steaming flush glow. You might have a few questions in your mind that, can steaming be harmful for the skin? Steaming can cleanse your skin, giving it a natural glow as a bonus. It can also have many harmful impacts. Many skincare specialists warn against steaming of face, as it can cause dryness, itchiness, and can potentially trigger acne along with redness. People with sensitive skin or those with eczema or rosacea are strictly advised against steaming their face. In fact, steaming can be the very cause of activating rosacea and eczema, which may then take weeks or months to go away. In addition, since steaming can aggravate acne and redness, people with sensitive skin are likewise advised against steaming. Steaming can cause inflammation in the skin. This inflammation might not be observable, but deep down can harm the skin in many different ways. So if you have any issues of skin inflammation, steaming of face is not for you. In fact, you need to be careful against excessive heat that can easily cause redness and dryness of your face. To add more, people with skin inflammatory issues can develop chronic acne in no time. Inflammation can also trigger eczema, which would ultimately need a range of appropriate treatments to get back the normal skin. In other words, steaming of face is definitely not recommended for every Tom, Dick, and Harry. Hyperpigmentation is another potential hazard of face steaming. With excessive heat, melanin production can be triggered deep inside the skin. Resultantly, hyperpigmentation can leave dark patches on the skin. This problem is more prevalent among pregnant women. Heat may add up to the melanin release that leads to hyperpigmentation. Mostly, people with dark skin tones are more prone to hyperpigmentation than those who have fair skin texture. So in case that you have melasma, heat is the last thing your face needs. In fact, go for applying ice on your face more often rather than steaming it. That can soothe your skin and fight inflammation, lowering the hyperpigmentation. How often should you steam your face? Steaming the face carries many benefits along with several potential hazards for the skin. So one should be very careful about how often should the face be treated with hot steam. While some dermatologists totally warn against the treatment, others recommend it with caution. Mostly, steaming the face for 10 minutes in a week is recommended. Since you do not want your skin to be irritated by overexfoliation and dryness, you should not try experiments with more face steaming. If you do so, you might also trigger chronic acne that would need a considerable time period to go away. Similarly, eczema and rosacea are two among the potential hazards. To conclude, steaming can be beneficial for skin if done in an appropriate and controlled manner. It can provide you natural glow and beauty, and that too, without having to pay lump sum of money to spas. At the same time, however, steaming the face can bear unwanted consequences if you are not careful enough. In that case, I would recommend you to visit your dermatologist and let them decide whether steaming is a blessing for your skin or otherwise. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.